Okay, so now we have completely installed all our components for Vue.js and all the dependencies for the frontend. We are able to create new components or use it. In fact, remember that we have published some components directly for Laravel Passport. So the only thing that we have to do during this class and any others is to use that components to provide new functionalities. The first step here is to go to the app.js file. Remember that it is in our resources, assets, JS, and there we have the app.js file. We are going to register a new component. Remember that we have some components for Passport over here. The component that we are going to use and register during this class is the personal access token component that allows us to create, edit, or delete our personal tokens. For this, we need to specify a name for the component that is going to be Passport personal access tokens. And then we just need to specify the root where it is going to be required. So that is going to be on components. And the name of the component is personal access tokens.view. Once we have this, we can use this component in all of our views. We can use this component just specifying the name of it directly in a tag inside of views. To use it, we are going to register a new root in the web roots that is going to be in the home version of this. That means that the user must be authenticated in order to access this location. That root is going to be home my tokens. The method is going to be get tokens, and we are going to assign a specific name to this root that is going to be personal tokens. So before to proceed here, once we made some changes in our components or directly in the JavaScript files, we should recompile our components. So for this, we can go directly to our command prompt. Remember to don't use it directly inside the virtual machine. You have to use it directly in your computer. So for this, we need to issue npm run dev. If everything is okay, we can continue. So once we have this root, we just need to use this method in the home controller. So let's to create it. This is going to return a view that we are going to create that is going to be localized in the home folder and is going to be called personal tokens. So let's to create this as a duplicate of our home view. Just duplicate here. Now the location is going to be home and the name must be personal tokens. Please remember to use the .blade.php extension. And there, the only thing that we have to do is to use directly that component of view that we call Passport Personal Access. And to use it, we just need to create a tag with that exact name. So you can just copy this and create a tag. And of course, close it. Once it is done, we just need to register a link in our main layout to go directly to this location. So if we go to the layout, we can just register a new link here in the left side navbar. That is going to use the root that we just created called personal tokens. But we don't want to show this for all the users. We are going to show this only for the authenticated users. So we need to check that first. If auth check return true, we are going to show this. In other case, we are not going to do anything. Just close the conditional, and after that we should be able to use these roots and that views in order to obtain personal access tokens. But we need to know some additional details about this, so we are going to see this a little better in the next class, how to use those personal tokens along these created views and of course some details about this. So see you in the next class.